back to my video. This time, let me tell you something about tips remodel your basement like a pro. Keep on watching. Before the basement remodel, we have to know what needs to be fixed from the basement. From the cracks of the foundation and the musty smell to the installation of code-breaking utilities and unsuitable wall supports. Number 1. Look for signs of moisture. The last point you want to do is end up a cellar throughout winter time and also have it flooding come spring. Extensively evaluate the space for fractures as well as indication of dampness before restoring. Number 2. Plan an open layout. Leave numerous possibilities open when it concerns the general use of the room. Do not overthink the format. Simply finish the outside wall surface as well as keep it open concept. Nevertheless, this is an anything space. Number 3. Seal exterior pest points of entry. Roomies who consume remaining food crumbs and then poop in your walls are the worst kind. Evade the rodents by securing any type of exterior points of entry. Number 4. Incorporate a storage room. The majority of people enjoy a kindly sized cellar storage room. The reward of integrating one is this: it doesn't require to be complete like a remainder of the cellar, which implies it will conserve you cash on your ending up expense. Construct straightforward storage space racks made from 2x4 as well as 3/4-inch plywood. Number 5. Respect the budget. Pine might be the best choice on a low-budget flip, particularly when dealing with something like an outdated wood-paneled basement that really did not flag significant concern on the house assessment. Once you open the walls, there are a chance you'll uncover greater than you anticipate, as well as the opportunity of looking at spending plan significantly increases. Number 6. Discuss bulkheads. One of the toughest aspects of cellar design is camouflaging all of the mechanical components that fit the remainder of the house. We have all spent time coursing unsightly bulkheads, as well as while they are necessary. Preparing around them can be a bit of an art form. Attempt to bury as lot of as you can within the walls and ceilings, but make sense of the bulkheads you create by prolonging them wall to wall as opposed to constructing unpleasant blocks. Number 7. Choose flooring carefully. The reason we essentially never see real hardwood in cellars is as a result of the unsteady humidity debris that burden as well as contract wood items beyond their engineered ability. That's why laminate is a preferred choice and also its reduced price factor and also very easy setup. Number 8. Like right. The reason we basically never ever see real wood in cellars is as a result of the unsteady moisture degrees that burden along with contract timber items past their craft capability. That's why laminate is a favored option, as well as likewise its lower cost aspect, as well as likewise very simple arrangement. Number 9. Add rock inch for income suite. The expense of a cellar remodeling can climb up quickly, which makes it tough to include an earning suite in the spending plan. However, if you are currently planning for a basement bedroom, take into consideration having exterior rock inch installed from a cooking area as well. This is massive selling function for some individuals and provides a running start on a future revenue switch without coming with a substantial cost to you. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys like my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.